Hello everyone. My name is Kia Patel, and today I will be talking about 3D gate analysis. So, what's that? It's a kind of technology that's transforming how clinicians access movement and plan a rehabilitation. I choose this tool because it bridges like biomechanics, technology, and real life patient recovery. So, let me introduce to you what's basically it is. So it's a an motion, I'll say, yeah, capture technology and analyze how a person runs or walks. Like you can see here, using infrared cameras, reflective markers, and force plates. So it gives a very detailed 3D image of joint angles, stride length, pattern, and muscle activity which can't be seen through a human eye. And the main purpose, I'll say, the main purpose of it is to identify abnormal movement patterns and underlying causes, whether it is due to injury or neurological disorder or like muscular imbalance. This helps like therapists to create more specific and data-driven rehab plans instead of relying only on usual observation. And as we know, like it's always good to have a tailor-made plans for a patient better than just copying or paste. So, like how it came in. So, when we talk about this, so roots go back into Aristotle. So this concept was way back, like you can see here, human walking was analyzed there also. But they just drawed image and saw like how they were moved. But 3D analysis, like as we have known, it began in 1980 when infrared camera systems were introduced. And since then, it has evolved. Like it's evolved into portable system now and AI-based tools, which can be analyzed like even outside the lab. So let's go next. Okay. So how it works? The process is start by you can see the image here for the reference. The process starts while with placing reflective markers on specific anatomical points, and then the infrared cameras track that movement of this marker in space, and the patient is like walks on a force plate. You can see here and this all soft is calculated like software. There's a software that converts the movement into a 3D coordinates to calculate the joint motion, speed, symmetry, everything. So what are the strength and limitation? The strength is like it's accurate, objective, and it is a measurable data. It also detects the hidden gate issues and track progress, which can we can't see by human eye, naked eye. It also gives us a personalized rehab feedback. As I told you, it's always to have a tailor-made rehab instead of following some particular rehab protocol. So, and oh, there are always limitations. So the limitation is expensive and it needs like experts setup. Not everyone can do it. So also there is limited availability in small clinics. The whole setup can't be done, and too much data can overwhelm the non-expert. So what research says? The research studies showed how 3D gate analysis improves diagnosis and accuracy and help predict outcomes better than 2D observation alone. So, one study in Journal of Biomechanics found that captured data improved treatment planning of stroke patients by 25%. It decreased like recovery time by 20% and cerebral palsy diagnosis by 35% of accuracy. So this is all the research said like it's better to have that. Okay, then my personal take on this thing is like I believe 3D gate analysis is powerful tool when used wisely. It's not meant to replace the clinical judgment, of course. Like will do it, but it's for enhancement. Like we can get a better, clear version of it. If made more accessible, I think it will help the therapist to deliver more personalized and effective care. So it's a great tool for like tracking long-term rehab program. And my bad. So I Andros 3D game. It turns visual observation into action and database rehab. So my take is like 3D. It shows how technology and rehabilitation can come together. You can see here. So it turns data into insight and insight into better recovery. The real value isn't just the in numbers, but in how therapists use them to help people move better in lives. So this is the sorry. So it always supports us. It does not replace that human touch. So it's always like we need to train because as we know, AI can make mistake always. So we can't trust on that, but it gives us a better idea. And these are some references I used for my program, PPT, I mean. Okay, thank you.